Alright, we're looking for a John Wick trade here. I'm going to show you what this is. We're on Ninja Renko bars 32 and 2. And what we're looking for is this to pull back up and then continue down. Here's an example here where it's dropped down and then it continues on. These can be extremely profitable. All you got to do is just be patient and wait for the pullback before you enter. And here's one here. I'm going to put in a sell there right below it, and there it goes. And let's see how we do. You can always take profit at any level you want. There you go, you got it. Done. So with this trade, you just want to make sure that you get one that comes up a ways like that. Let's see if I can find another example. There's one there. That's a very small one. I wouldn't take that. Here's a really good one here. Pulled all the way back here like it's going to reverse. Then you put your order in up here, and you got all those ticks. Very simple, folks. They happen left and right, so watch for them. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. Post any comments below.